Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we have categorical data with its value 1 and 2. So this is the sample data which I have created to create the area stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So first we will see the output of our code, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding like how to write the code and what outputs has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So first let's see the output now. So as you can see on the screen that this is our 100% stacked area chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our chart will look after writing the VBA code in the VBA editor. Now let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA. So let's have a look on our VBA code. So as you can see that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create this stacked 100% chart, stacked area 100% chart in VBA Excel, and this is the entire code which we are going to use to create a 100% stacked area chart in VBA Excel. So let's see what these lines of code are going to help to create 100% stacked area chart in VBA Excel. So let's have a look and the understanding on these lines of code. So the first line of code, first step, what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data, and then what we are going to do is we are going to type in the next line active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and in the brackets we are going to type some parameters which has to be given to create this type of chart. So the first parameters which we are going to give is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. For our video, for our 100% stacked area chart, we have the chart value of 2, and then we are going to give the chart type. So we have to also mention what type of chart we are going to create. So in this video we are going to create Excel area stacked 100% chart. So this is the type of chart which we are going to create in this video, and then we are going to give the height, width, left and top parameters to position and to size our chart. After giving these parameters, what we are going to do is we are going to close the bracket, and then we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, your chart will be created, but it won't have the chart title, the grid lines will not be removed, or you don't have your data table with legends, or it won't show the data labels. So to apply all these elements inside your chart, we are going to create a with statement, which is this block of with statement as you can see on the screen. So we are going to see how we can use these with statement and make our chart more presentable. So let's start it. First, we are going to type with, and after that, we are going to type active chart. So as you can see that we have selected our chart over here. So once the chart is selected, it becomes our active chart. So we are going to use the with statement followed by active chart over here. So once we have written with active chart, what we are going to do is the first step which we are going to type is we are going to type the chart title. So we are going to set the chart title first. It will be, so to do that we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and inside the double inverted comma we are going to give our chart title. So for our video I have given the chart title as 100% stacked area chart in VBA Excel. If you want to modify this as per your convenience, then you can do it. And after that, we are going to set some elements inside our chart to present our chart more presentable way. So these elements are, first we are going to set the legends on top over here. As you can see, the legends are on the top over here and are placed on the top. So to do this, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element legend top. Once you have given this line of code, your legends will be placed on top over here. And then what we are going to do is we are going to set another element which will remove the grid lines from our chart. So to remove the grid lines inside our chart, what we are going to type is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this line of code, then your grid lines inside your chart will disappear. And then in the next line, what we are going to do is this one is the duplicate line. So let me remove this. As you can see, we have already set our legends on top, as this is the duplicate one. So I am removing this. Yeah, now it's removed. So after removing the grid lines from our chart, what we are going to do is we are going to set another element. Yes, this one. We are going to set the another element which will label our chart. So as you can see, our 100% stacked area chart is labeled over here. So to label these data inside our chart, we are going to type this line of code which says dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data label show. So this line of code helps us to show the data labels inside our chart over here. As you can see, each and every data has been labeled over here. And then what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and then we are going to create a table. As you can see, inside our chart we have created a table which has a table category and the values for it with the legend case over here. So to create this type of table inside our chart, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend case. Once you have given these parameter or you have written this line of code, your data table with the legend keys, as you can see, your legend keys are also appearing inside your data table. It will appear inside your chart. Once you have given this, and as you can see that we have already labeled our data over here. So once you have labeled your data over here, what I prefer is, I would say it's better to delete the value axis, as already our data is labeled. So to look more presentable, what I will do is I will remove this value axis, which I believe it's unnecessary. So what I did is I deleted that, and let's see how we can delete that as well. So first what we are going to do is we are going to type dot access, and inside the brackets we are going to type excel value, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot delete. Once you have written this, your value access will be deleted, and then what we are going to do is we are going to type end with. So once you have written these lines of code and you have followed the video till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 100% stacked area chart in VBA. Now, as you remember, initially we have selected our chart over here while creating. So to deselect our chart, I'm going to select any empty cell inside my sheet. For my sheet, it is range F4. So to do that, I'm going to type range F4 dot select. This will deselect my entire chart. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.